Someone asked me to make a video why I think Goodluck Jonathan is the candidate that is good enough for this battle that's ahead of us. So let me explain, and please pay attention. Don't misunderstand me. Just pay attention and listen. So now we are going to have only one goal in this 2027 election, and that one goal is for Tinubu to be defeated in the election. Okay? Anything aside from this will not work. Do you understand me? Anything aside from this will not work. If the goal is not to defeat Tinubu in the election, then forget about it. If the goal has to do with people's personal ambition, forget about it. So let's remove Goodluck Jonathan. Every single person, personal ambition cannot remove Tinubu from that place. The only way Tinubu can be defeated in an open election is through coalition, just the way he came. Tinubu came to power through coalition. Then break your, add them together. Cause some do propaganda, create chaos, plenty things, add together to carry remove Goodluck Jonathan. And that is the only way. Already, the opposition, most of the people that started pushing like a bad narrative of President Tinubu. Already, he has a very bad PR. There is nothing there. He has a very bad PR. Whatever the APC is doing is just, just trying to like paint it to make it look like it's good, but he has a bad PR. You understand? But a man with bad PR, but with full understanding of how the game works, has upper hand than you with good PR, with less knowledge of how the game works. That's the difference between Asiwaju and the rest politician. Now, if Atiku collect ticket for ADC, let's say Atiku collect ticket for ADC, Obi collect for, what's it called, Labour Party, Kwankwa Sodi for a party, Amechi self collect, Erufai self collect, 5 contenders. These 5 people, Tinubu will still win all of them because they will share the votes among themselves. And Tinubu already has the upper hand to get the highest vote. Plus, the kroke way he go do. He go get the highest vote, he go win them. Do you understand? Now, even if Goodluck Jonathan join this race, then maybe Goodluck is contesting with the ND party, there is Obi, there is Atiku, there is Amechi, there is all of them contesting from different parties. Tinubu will still win. But if they come as a coalition, now if they are coming as a coalition, they need one candidate that is nationally accepted to battle Tinubu. Now, Peter Obi is not nationally accepted. It is a fact that none of you want to agree, and I will break it down for you. Now, this is 2027, this is not 2023. The Obi wave has dropped. Take it or leave it. The Obi wave has dropped. Obi is a celebrity. Any place where Obi go, people go gather. The same way we say Wike is also a celebrity like Obi. If Wike goes to any place today in this country, people will gather. Even people they insult and will gather. Some people want to take pictures with him, snapping. Obi is a celebrity politician. You understand? He's a celebrity politician. So now, if Obi collect this ticket, the North will not vote for Obi. Make me deceive ourselves. They will not work for Obi. There is no Northern that is alive today with his open eye. We want to carry presidency and give to Obi, say take. Then Obi now came on TV and said he wants to do 4 years. That is the greatest lie of all time. Even Pharaoh from Egypt did not say that kind of lie. Obi came and said he will do 4 years. That he's going to change Nigeria in 4 years. But he couldn't change Anambra in 8 years. But he wants to change Nigeria in 4 years. Someone that has not been any other thing in politics aside from a governor, that he did not contest primaries. Now literally from court case he got there. This is Nigeria. This is not Anambra. It's a whole different ball game. Do you understand me? Those Northern people will not give. If Obi collect the ticket, Obi will not win one state in the South. Why would Southerners leave Asiwaju and go and vote for Obi? You know what Asiwaju don't do for South? For the system. I'm not talking about infrastructure now. I'm talking about the system. The men who did the system. You know that's what you don't do. So it takes only someone that has content for people to be able to betray Asiwaju to go. Secondly, again, since Obi entered ADC, Obi never bring one elite, one strong man for politics, come join him. He doesn't have the capacity to put anybody to join him in ADC. That one alone is a failure already in any political party. These are the things that the stakeholders look at. Aside from the noise, the wave, the fans, the entertainment, the merriment that you bring, you're not bringing core value that will turn to electoral power, electoral currency to the party. You never bring anybody come. If you like make you do 2000 interview, you never bring anybody who get where it's come. You understand? Now, if Obi collect the ADC ticket, the North will snitch on him. They don't go vote for Obi. Nobody will carry 1 year, 4 years give Obi because Obi does not even have the capacity to withstand a cabal, the existing system, except say Obi go on gather all of us way bad, according to Honor. They kill all of us once. They get me. So he go kill all of us, we be bad people. Then they go leave only the good people to run the government. My question now, what be the good people for this country when they talk about? When they say APC people are bad people, people are bad people, Labour Party people are bad people, ADC people be good people. So you see, secondly again, when Obi collect that ticket, there are some set of Igbo people, not all of them, we don't get access to Android phone, we did this internet, they cause serious tribalism. The same thing with Yoruba people. And when I see those their conversations, the thing they pain me so much because those things are not necessary. Like there are Igbo people living peacefully with Yoruba people, even in Lagos there. Yoruba people living peacefully, but this one don't get access to internet. They go they cause now. Then they claim the internet, they claim everywhere. Imagine one Igbo girl come online and say get one community for Bayelsa, Igbo community for Bayelsa, Igbo community. They claim equality, they claim that everywhere in Igbo land, all those things then. That one pass. Secondly again, Biafra. These ones wey get this Biafra mentality, wey believe in this their Biafra movement, most of them, in fact, majority of them believe say if Peter Obi become president, it go dey easy for them to get Biafra. That's a threat to national security. These are the things wey go hinder this guy from winning the election. But they know. They feel say they're smart, they feel say they're wise, wise. But all these things them, I follow. Secondly again, none of the elite, political elite, the political heavyweight for East, they support to be. None of them they support to be. None. When I mean none of them, from none of them support to be. Again, governors, no governor will support to be. Even Alex Oti, with the Labour Party, no will support to be. Alex Oti will not pick ADC over APC for national election. Alex Oti will deliver Tinubu in Abia State. Why? Because Tinubu has given Alex Oti an enabling environment for Alex Oti to work and show his strength. If Tinubu don't want to make Alex Oti work, now just like this, he will set problem for that state. Alex Oti will be busy trying to solve communal issues between communities or local government or something. From nowhere, problem will just start. People they keep the governor busy. Work, everything will just stop. You understand? The allocation fee even stop. No kind of problem from nowhere. They will just, from the Labour Party, from the state level, they will just cause problem. But no, Alex Oti is doing thing. Because Alex Oti is a politician. Politician than Peter Obi. Most of you don't know Alex Oti. They feel Alex Oti just can't use LP talk to bottom become governor. No, Alex Oti don't contest before. He has always been in the political system. He knows the godfathers, he knows the stakeholders, he knows the system. He's popular at his own level. Not a small boy, and a millionaire, and a billionaire himself. He only side guide. You understand? He's going to win his election because he has built structure. He hold the Labour Party for the state like this. He hold like this. He has built structure. Anywhere he move, go, everybody will follow and go. You understand? The secondly again, Peter Obi no get what to use campaign against Bato. Make we forget all this already talk. Say Obi create. These 4 years, whether bad work or you know work or you do bad things or you don't do bad things, so see, bad don't get evidence to use campaign for his second tenure. Obi no gets to use campaign. The same thing with Atiku. Atiku will only come and talk about the things he will do differently from what Bat is doing. Obi will come and talk about the things he will do differently from what Bat is doing. Obi will not talk about the thing he has done before that is functioning now because day. You understand? Now, one of the main things you have to understand again is that any politician, opposition within now, where in political ambition, his political interest towards the 2027 presidential race cannot make any governor in APC today to decamp, leave Tinubu, come join them, no go fit win Tinubu. And none of them have done it. If your political interest to contest against Tinubu, no fit make any of the governors for APC drop the Tinubu cap, come join you to fight Tinubu, then without you meeting them or bribing them money, you don't forget about the fight. You can't win Tinubu. No, you can't win Tinubu. Now, for Atiku, if Atiku collect the ticket, even for the North, both Middle Belt and North, he no go win all the state then. Atiku will not see any vote in South because President Atiku will not get anything for South. He no get any weight for South. I don't know for East. I don't know about that one for East. Now, let's talk about the measure. Atiku versus Peter Obi cannot win Tinubu. Same. I don't talk the statistics. Atiku versus Kwankwaso cannot win Tinubu, but Obi versus Kwankwaso cannot win Tinubu. Yes, because secondly again, Kwankwaso did not go to ADC because of Obi. Kwankwaso went to ADC because of Goodluck Jonathan. So when I will make a tell on today, it's because of Goodluck Jonathan. Most of the people there. In fact, Amechi, if Amechi collect the tickets, Amechi go pull weight. The weekend Amechi go pull weight past Obi because Amechi will be more accepted because Amechi get evidence. Amechi get evidence and Amechi gets blame pack on this government in use campaign. You understand? So now, but with all these people, none of them will fit defeat Tinubu. How do we now defeat Tinubu in the election? The only one person with Tinubu no want make it contest this election at Goodluck Jonathan. Because why? Goodluck Jonathan be like honey. You know when you sit down, they carry a bucket of honey, come drop for your front, come the fresh and they give you like this, they drink. Then suddenly, you just turn your face, they don't carry the honey, don't come out. Now they tell you, say that honey, they come back. Say that honey, they come back. Goodluck Jonathan is the only candidate, that his political interest. If Goodluck Jonathan declare today, he does scatter the APC structure. Governors in APC will drop the Tinubu cap and join him. No other politician for Nigeria today could make any governor for APC drop cap, join without say bribe. People from different parasata, people who inside the Tinubu team, plenty they will drop cap, run follow Goodluck to fight the fight. So simple. If all the political parties already say they won't collect this thing from Bat, then they should not produce any presidential candidate. Let the election be between Bat and Goodluck. All them article, everybody, they here. So now there will be the new cabinet. I don't care how they want to do it. And then the election should be between Bat and Goodluck Jonathan. North Central, North East, West, South, everywhere. Nobody will know Goodluck Jonathan with evidence, not just promise. Goodluck Jonathan has what to campaign with, evidence to campaign with, substance to campaign with, not promise. It's easier to tell somebody, say, Goodluck is coming back, than to tell person, say, I want to be president. It's easier to say, Goodluck is coming back, Goodluck Nigeria is coming back, than to say, I want to be president, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. No, it's easier to say, Goodluck is coming back. Goodluck Jonathan is a more national accepted candidate than any other candidate when they now as opposition. I will share one particular video with you, and I want to really analyze this thing. Maybe I need to talk and well. But this is why I feel like Goodluck Jonathan is the only person that can battle bats in a coalition. But if you come up Goodluck Jonathan, these other people then I just split. Like me, I don't hide my own. You understand? I don't hide my own. If Goodluck is not coming, I will vote for what's it called, Bat, because Bat will mess everybody up. He will squeeze everybody. But in one accord, if they push Goodluck out, then everybody come back in one accord. Bat will not withstand it. Because there is no conflict that will come with it. Everybody will accept that candidate. But if we push Atiku out, conflict will come. Some people will say, no, and they go. If you push Obi out, the same conflict will come out. If you push Amechi, conflict will come out. If you push Kwans, conflict will come out. Goodluck come out, there will be no conflict anywhere. Anybody they both face, don't go relax. It's easier to say Goodluck is coming back than to say, I want to be president. I want to do this. If I become president, vote for me. So this is my take. As time they go on, I go to break down things they give on a more. Why I say that this guy, now you go feel on this matter, this battle, one-on-one with Bat. And secondly, for now when they say Goodluck na woman rapper, na quiet guy. Hello, sir. You don't know him. Me, I know Goodluck reaching house. I not from media. I know I'm reaching house. Like, I know him mama. Rich house. Do you know the meaning of Ebele? Ebele is not an Igbo name. It is an Ogbia name. It means flame of fire. That's the meaning. Browse the internet. Ask Bayelsa people who be Ogbia people. Goodluck is just a slow poison. Not be saying they fear you. Now that kind of man be saying, look, I say smile like this, you they go. Now that kind of man. You understand? Now, before you raise his voice out, now say you don't really touch him. He's not a fool. He's not a fool. He's a rugged man. So no go deceive yourself. If you are gonna show him power, don't go deceive yourself. No go mumu. See, because say Goodluck is not a human rapper. We take his kindness and his simplicity for granted as Nigerians. You understand? But I'm telling you that he's the only one that can pull this turn for us if you want to defeat Bat. If once Goodluck is out of this race, don't forget, every other person is a walkover for Bat. Every other person is a walkover because Goodluck is the only person that his presidential ambition will destroy the APC existing structure and change the Nigerian political landscape. Take it or leave it. See you guys.